People out there, I just wanted to shoot this beautiful moment of the budgies in love. You can just see this moment. See this beautiful, cute moment. That's the female, the yellow one. That's Sunshine, and that's Max, the male. And these are the albino budgies. And look at this cute moment. Isn't it so beautiful to watch them? Yeah. See this? This one is for all the bird lovers. I hope you guys are enjoying this cute moment. Look at this. Oh, they're so cute together. Oh, look at this. Oh, look at this. The female is very, very romantic compared to the male, and she's very, very, very loving. See that? Oh my goodness, look at this moment. I just can't stop watching them. So if you like this cute video of mine, do click like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this lovely cute couple, Sunshine and Max in love. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.